Yon, so morning po. Another day. So Lomi day po tayo today. Take po muna ng blood sugar reading and then I'll start eating. Same routine. After an hour, babalikan ko po kayo for the blood sugar reading and see kung gaano po kataas yung spike ng blood sugar. Okay. Yan. And then right after the second hour reading later, ko-compare po na and then we'll see kung ano yung difference nila tatlo. So see you later. 111 po yung start ng reading natin. Yon, so naka-isang oras na po. So it's time to get another blood sugar reading. So by the way, yung Lomi po na kinain ko kanina, it was a short order. Gayon din po, same seller. Yung pinag-orderan ko po ng pansit bihon and pansit palabok. And wala po akong tinanggal na ingredients. Here you go. We'll see. Wow. So pati po yung broth ng Lomi, hinigop ko siya lahat. So yeah, 190. Baka magkamali niya. 195 po yung reading. Balik po ulit ako after 2 hours and we'll see kung ano po yung final blood sugar reading. See ya. I'm back. It's been 2 hours, so last blood sugar reading po natin for the Lomi day, and we'll see. Okay, let's go. Yun. So it's final reading, it's 147. Yun, so I just realized na parang hindi apples to apples yung comparison nung pansit bihon, pansit palabok, and Lomi. So I decided to go back and edit the video. So ngayon, what we'll do, para maganda yung comparison, I'll compare the Lomi with the sotanghon. Pareho silang may broth. And then I'll include another one, which is yung miswa. May soup din siya, may broth. So I'll eat that tomorrow morning para maganda yung comparison. Lomi, sotanghon, and yung miswa. So yeah, so 147 yung reading ng blood sugar level natin after 2 hours nakainin ko si Lomi. So I won't recommend for now. Again, it's above the threshold na 140. So see you tomorrow.